Is it worth it to save the Hubble Space Telescope? The Hubble Space Telescope is slowly falling back to Earth, and it's expected to re-enter Earth's atmosphere in the 2030s. Hubble was launched in 1990, and it was originally expected to have a lifespan of about 15 years, but it has already more than doubled that. Hubble has done incredible things. Its data has led to determining the rate of expansion of the universe. It's also determined that most galaxies have a supermassive black hole at the center, and it's mapped dark matter in our universe. But since 2009, Hubble has been slowly descending towards Earth. Now, two companies have proposed partnering together to attach onto Hubble and lift it up, raising the telescope's orbit by 50 kilometers. And then they proposed that that same space vehicle would then clean up any debris in Hubble's new orbit so that it wouldn't crash into anything. The Hubble mission has cost about $16 billion, but it's still working and still producing great science. So what do you think? Is it worth the extra money and effort to boost Hubble back up? But also, NASA isn't paying for this. They said that this is on a no exchange of funds basis, which basically means that these companies are just doing this as a demonstration that they are capable of servicing satellites, not for money. So what do you think?